Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. So today I'm back on the pocket option platform and I'm going to be trading stock OTCs on the platform. So we have our different stock OTCs like Netflix, Visa, FedEx here at the top, here Facebook. Okay, I'm going to be utilizing two indicators. So when we click on the indicator icon here, the first indicator will be the RSI indicator, the relative strength index indicator, and the second indicator will be the momentum indicator here. Okay, so we have these two lines set up. Now in my RSI, when I click on the indicator settings here, the period is set to 7. And in my style settings, I've unclicked the 70 and the 30 line because we won't be using them. So we're going to disable them. And for the main line, I've set it to 3 pixels here, green 3 pixels. Okay. And for the momentum indicator, I've also set the period to 7. And in the style settings, uh, when we click on the main line button here, I'm going to be using the line figure, not the histogram. In the default, it's histogram, but we're going to be using the line. All right. And I've also set it to 3 pixels. Okay. So we save those settings. And for my candlestick chart here, I have my candle set to 1 minute regular Japanese candles. And for my trade timer, I also have it set to 1 minute. So I'll be taking 60-second trades, fast 60-second trades. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for our first setup. Okay, so I'm on Tesla right now, and I just took a buy trade. And the reason why I took the buy trade here is Uh, if you look at the RSI indicator here, it just crossed over the 50 line, this line here. And in addition to that, the momentum indicator is showing a strong positive slope in the up direction. So I went ahead and took the buy trade for 60 seconds. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so we won that trade. It was very close. All right, so let me pause the video and look for another setup. Okay, so I'm on Boeing Company and I just took a buy trade here. And the reason why I took the buy trade is if the RSI line crossed over the 50 line here and is sloping upward while the momentum indicator is showing a sharp positive slope here, crossed the 100 line already. So this suggests that there is going to be a continued bullish momentum to the upside. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so let me pause the video and move on to the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Apple and I just took a sell trade here. And similarly to the previous trades, uh, if you noticed RSI line here, it just crossed the 50 line in the downward direction. So now it's below the 50 line here. In addition to that, when I took the trade here, the momentum indicator was also sloping downward. It's kind of crossed a little bit, but I'm anticipating that the trend will be continued to the downside here. And there's going to be a bearish movement over the next 60 seconds. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry here. It's pushing downwards here. And you see here, the RSI line has continued in a negative sloping direction with the momentum indicator. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Cisco OTC, and so I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade here is if you notice the RSI line here just crossed below the 50 line on the indicator. In addition to that, the momentum indicator is showing a nice negatively sloping downward trend here, which indicates over the next 60 seconds there's going to be a continued downward momentum to the stock. All right, so let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, great. So we won that trade. All right. All right, so let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Pfizer and I just took a buy trade. And the reason why I took the buy trade here, similarly to previous trades, waited for the crossover of the RSI line to above the 50 line here. In addition to that, the momentum indicator is giving us a positive slope here in the upward direction. When I took the trade, it's kind of evened out, but I'm anticipating there's going to be a continued bullish momentum here to the upside over the next 60 seconds. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so I'm going to end the session here. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment on the strategy. I have a link to the trading platform in the video comments and in the channel description if you're interested in trading this strategy. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt.